We'll guide you through how to clip with OBS Studio. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Clipping is a great feature we can use in OBS. It means we can then go and capture when something's already gone and happened. You want to go to the bottom right into the controls and open up settings. Then what you need to do is go over to the left here and you want to go and find the option for output. You can go and set the mode to simple. If you already have set up OBS for recording, that's going to be good because that are the settings that the replay buffer will go and use. If you haven't, you can just go and use the settings I've set here. You can go over to the left into video and go and set these. I recommend them just be setting to 1920 by 1080 and set the FPS to 60. It's likely you've already recorded with OBS though, and so that'll be fine. Then what you want to do is come down and you want to go and enable replay buffer, like so. Here you can go and set the maximum replay time. This is the amount of time you can go and capture in the past. 30 seconds is plenty for me. If you go and extend the amount of time here, I'd recommend increasing the memory. You can then press apply in the bottom right and press OK. What you can then do is press start replay buffer. Now you can go and get into your game. Let's say something's happened you want to capture, return to OBS and press the save button to the right of replay buffer. It's then going to be saved to the path that your videos are recorded to. You can find that in your settings. Here it is, we can then go and play it back. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.